some motherfucking noise!
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I will be reacting to two songs today, both by Mamamoo members. So we have been her solo, and I don't know what it is called because it's written in Korean. So please let me know, guys, huh? And second is by Moonbyul, and her song name is Lunatic. Now, Veen, of course, she has left RBW, and the new company that she has joined is called the L1, the live, right? That I guess that's what it's called, because one is it's like L1VE. So I'm guessing it's called the live. So I'm gonna be listening to Veen's song first, and I'm gonna move on to Moonbyl's song. So yes, let's not delay this any further. Momos, let's get right into it. So both of them, I think, have given the subtitles. Yes, I'm glad that at least Moonbyul song also has subtitles, because RBW does not usually give subtitles so quickly, so it becomes a little difficult. Okay, let us listen to first Veen song. Oh, it's already looking so soothing.
오묘해 내게 갇힌 듯한 in your eyes 너의 poker face oh I don't know your mind 깊이 섞일 듯 말 듯한 말
Oh, her outfit is so beautiful.
스쳐간 찰나도 느리게 rewind 의미를 새겨 지우지도 못해
The vocals are amazing.
Talk to me softly 너를 오롯이 내 귀에 속삭여 네 맘을 말해줘 넌 어딘가 묘해 뭔가 좀 이상해 자꾸 오묘하게 몰래 맘이 닿아 조금 더 숨겨도 돼 I can stand everyday 신경 쓰이는 게 좋아 넌 참 묘해 Come around, come around, come around
Wow, so soothing.
Come around, you make me happy Make me happy Come around, come around, come around, come around, come around, come around You make me happy Make me happy 오묘해
Doesn't this have such a calming effect already? Like the moment it started from this frame, this beginning frame, it is so freaking calming already. And her vocal, you know, this is, I was sort of expecting this kind of vibe because her vocals are so sweet. Like it's so soft. I love how soft her vocals sound. And I actually was like, I was expecting a little bit this kind of song only. I was expecting a little bit this kind of song only. The pink outfit is absolutely gorgeous on her. This one, the pastel, so beautiful. So she wakes up. The entire thing has a butterfly theme, sort of. See, the walls also have butterflies. She's going about her day.
Talk to me softly 너를 오롯이 내 귀에 속삭여 네 맘을 말해줘 넌 어딘가 묘해 뭔가 좀 이상해 자꾸 오묘하게 몰래 맘이 닿아 조금 더 숨겨도 돼 I can still never
See the butterfly.
신경 쓰이는 게 좋아 넌 참
Your
묘해
material.
Come around, come around, come around, come around, come around, come around. You make me happy, make me happy. Come around, come around, come around.
This is a different room, right? Wait.
Come happy,
Wait. No, it's the same.
Come around, come around, come around, come around, come around, come around. You make me happy, make me happy.
But the second time she goes to the other side. She comes from the other door.
Come around, come around. You make me happy.
This is the observation I made. Like the first time she comes from one door, she goes to that side, the right side. Second time she comes from another door, she goes to the left. So she's standing at the left side. I don't know if that is of some significance or not.
Make me happy. 오묘해 나는 기회
Butterfly.
느리게 rewind 의미를 새겨 지우지도 못해 Talk to me softly 너를 오롯이 내 귀에 속삭여 네 맘을 말해줘
So
난
magical.
어딘가 묘해 뭔가 좀 이상해 자꾸 묘하게 몰래 맘이 닿아 조금 더 숨겨도 돼 I can stand everything 신경 쓰이는 게 좋아 난 참 묘해 시간이 지나 잊었다가 순간이 그릴 거야 뭔가 피어오를 듯 오묘한 이 온도를 새겨 넘겨가게 돼날 서두르게 깊게 스며든 채
How stunning is this video? How stunning is this video?
맘이 앞서가 조금 더 숨겨도 돼 I can stand everything 신경 쓰이는 게 좋아 난 참 묘해 Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on
Is she like Mother Nature? I feel like that. I don't know why.
Make me happy Come around, come around, come around, come around, come around, come around You make me happy
Oh no, she's also a butterfly. Huh? Is she a butterfly? In the Mood. Is that the song name? In the Mood? Huh? Or is that the album name? Is that the album name or is the song name? So either she is Mother Nature or she is a butterfly. She is the mother butterfly. Like she's the queen butterfly. She's controlling all the butterflies because butterfly is very prominent in the video. So she's the queen butterfly. Huh? Or she's the flower. Let me know. Let me know. But the video is stunning and it's calming. The song is very calming. It's beautiful. It's something that actually is a very beautiful drive song. A lot of people just when you're driving, when you are in that heavy traffic and you want something to calm you down, I think this song is perfect. This song would be perfect for that, I feel. So yes, let's move on to the second song. Then I'll give you my final thoughts. Because I'm very eager to listen to her song as well. I don't know how at least with Reen, I could sort of do like a guess in my mind that okay, this is how it's going to sound. With Moonbyul, I don't even know what to expect. I don't know what to expect. So I absolutely am really, that's why I'm really eager to listen to hers. Because I don't know what kind of sound she's going to have in her song. So yeah. And the song is called Lunatic. So forgive me for being excited. This definitely has a storyline. Okay, will the suspect show up?
나 특이한 걸까 못돼 먹은 버릇인 걸 잘 알지만
Okay.
control 할 수가 없잖아 When I was young 그때부터 우리 엄마도 포기했어 척하면 딱 알아들어 짐을 꼭 해야 알아들어 눈치껏 기분 맞춰 내 기준에 너를 맞춰 옳지 그래 그렇지 이것도 사랑의 표현 방식이지 나나나 헷갈리는 MBTI 하루 세다 바뀐 이에서 내가 왜 이러는 걸까 이게 좋아하는 걸까 blackout 네 앞에만 서면 하루에 12번 얼어내린 한치도 알 수 없는 내 맘 너 때문인 건 아닌데 아는데 조절이 안 돼 너한테만 화를 내는 루루나네 나 루나틱
I am so happy with this. It is so her. It's unique, it's different, it's a little wacky, it's funny, it's badass. It's just, it's her. It's her. This entire song just screams every kind of, personality. I love when she's saying, I'm going to keep it legit. I'm not like, the other girls. This is going a little meta because, Mamamoo overall is considered to be a different girl group. And when I say different, I mean in a very good way. Probably not, being different is always amazing. And she's like, I'm going to keep it real and stuff like that. I might not be like the average girl that you probably like. I'm very different. I love that. I love that. It's sort of making fun of yourself in a way, in a humorous way. Oh, that is cool. The Moonbyul Lunatic was quite nice. I like that. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I like how they should do the rap here. Don't hate me and all of that. I'm not a lunatic. All of that written. I love this outfit. I absolutely love this outfit. Like she's almost, fainting and not forgetting to take a selfie. Like, that is important. That was so much cool. But this thing is gonna become a viral thing. Lunatic. I love it. Oh, what's that? Huh? That's a hint to something, I feel. How different are these two songs? And I love both. Though I was not expecting such a honestly, with Moonbyul, this completely subverted my expectation. I love how wacky this entire thing is. Like, it's so crazy. It's so freaking crazy. And I know she has this tomboyish, like she is a tomboy probably. That's what you guys have told me. And she's just being herself. She's just being like extra and cool and edgy. And I just love it. I love everything about this video. This was a very well directed video. I love the entire concept of this thing. The ending part was funny. I love how funny this was. This was a very funny video, and Moonbyul's expressions and acting were so on point. They were so on point. I love that. I love that about this video. The acting and the way she was doing it. And look how edgy and wacky she's looking here. And look Ween's video where she's looking so soft, and it's like she looks like glass over there. Like if I touch her, I'll hurt her. It looks like that. She looks so delicate. I love the content. I'm so glad I reacted to both in one video, because I just see, because see, they're in the same group. They're in the same group. But just look at individually how much they stand out in terms of the music that they can offer individually. That is why I love watching solos, because in solos you really understand the prowess of an artist individually. So I feel every company under which, you know, K-pop groups thrive, if a company identifies a really good potential vocalist. See, everybody's vocal ranges are different. Somebody's a rapper, somebody's a vocalist, somebody's the main dancer and whatnot. But they get training and everything. But specifically for the vocalists, I feel that every company, or if you're a rapper, I think every company should encourage their artists to support them in releasing their mixtapes. Even if the mixtape has 4 songs, just they should encourage these artists to release it, because it really shows off their range, and I don't think they'll be sad to do it. I love this, like how different, like as a group they fit together so well. I would love to see a solo from Solar, and I would love to see one from Hwasa. One more. Hwasa to chalo has given us, like, look at, I mean, if I play I'm a Bee after this, if I play that, just see how different that song is. Now I need one song of Solar, but just look how what kind of musical quality Hwasa brings to the song. It's so different. Hers is so different. Moonbyul, Ween is so different. Has Solar ever released a solo? Ever? Let me know in the comments below, Humus. So yeah, that was the reaction, guys. That was the reaction to Ween's song, which I don't know what it's called. I don't know. It's written in Korean. But it was beautiful. I loved it. It was fantastic. But this one, I think out of the two, I think Lunatic completely is the winner for me. Is the winner for me this time. And you would think that I would like Ween's song more because it's a more slow tempo, melodious song. But I don't know. I think it has to do with the way the video is presented. Maybe if I listen to it as a song independently, I'll end up liking Ween's song more. But it's the video, the way this video was shot, it kept me hooked. I was totally laughing, I was vibing, I was like, okay, it just put a smile on my face. So I think right now in the first listen, I think I prefer Lunatic more. But do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And yes, with that, I will end this reaction here. I hope you guys have come till the end and have enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye-bye.
You are the colors of